Okay, so let's start. Good morning. Day 4. A lot of sessions I have to give, and also I hear and I have meetups and podcasts and all of this. So welcome, day 4. Now with a new topic, Windows Insider for Business program. Who of you is Windows Insider? All of you. Yeah. Who of you is Windows Insider for Business with your Azure AD account? 3. Oh, we need more. Okay. So I have this session last year on Ignite, building an insider community in Germany in our company, and we talked about it. And now I said, okay, last year there are some attendees that, okay, you have to come back next year and talk how it works. We say, okay, let's try how it works, what we do, and have some statistics and some best practice, and how is our process and what we do in our company to building a Windows Insider for Business community. So let's start. I don't have so much time. My name is Raphael Kölner. I'm working as a lead consultant for Allegri International Service GmbH. That's a Microsoft partner from Germany, Germany and Europe. And I'm MVP for Office apps and services, and also Windows Insider MVP. So that's why I'm here. I saw some other Windows Insider MVPs are here in the crowd. Hey, yeah, Mirko is not logging. Woo! Okay. I have Twitter, blog posts, and I have a podcast, MVP Coffee Party. You can hear over these topics, for example. So, at first, a little introduction. Yes, that's also our challenge. We have a shift to the next modern workplace. We transform from Windows 7 to Windows 10. We try, that's not the finish, but we come from GPOs to using Intune with Windows 10, with Azure AD accounts, Office 365, Microsoft 365. We skip from a file server to OneDrive and OneDrive for Business, and all of this, I think you know it. That's the same topic like last year. And so we have the Windows Insider program, and last year they announced the Windows Insider for Business program. So we try, okay, some of us are Windows Insiders. And now we say, okay, let's try to build a community last year for Windows Insider for Business program. And so we get early access to the Windows builds, Windows Server. We use Windows Server, Windows 10 SDK, and the classic Windows 10 Enterprise, and we test Windows 10 Pro. That's the OS system we try in the company. And also, we want to give feedback, and we want to give feedback as a company, not all as a person, as a personal feedback. So we try to coordinate the feedback via the Feedback Hub, and we want to know what's next. And here, that is the new skip ahead. So we are in skip ahead, we are in fast, and we are also in a slow ring. And that's what we have, a lot of fun. And we have some benefits we see as we try it and as we use the Windows Insider for Business program. For example, we're building a community between peoples that never know before. So also it's the same story at our customers. We said, okay, let's build a community. That's not only Windows Insider for Business, we also are Office Insiders. And we also try the Windows Server builds before. So we catch and grab some people from departments like HR department, like out of shops from our customers, like some of our marketing guys, and said, okay, let's go together and let's call us the Geek Squad and the Windows Insider for Business Squad. And I'm the administrator of some of these insider communities, also at our customers, and I'm monitoring these feedback. And if you add the Azure AD account and you are a Windows Business Insider, every of your Windows Insider have a new navigation point in the Feedback Hub. It's called My Company. And there you see what your company gives for feedback. And that's great because we all said, okay, upvote these. So we get more upvotes, and if we have more and more upvotes, the Windows program, the Windows engineering team solve these issues. Say, okay, let's try to find a solution for this one. So we say this, and we go with this, and that's very fast. So last year, only a fast review. Those are my slides from last year. We talked about Windows Insider community, and we built a company geek or a geek squad, and all of this is only a very fast, and we have a little process. We build, okay, start with the early builds, and we try and we communicate about the feedback. We have a phone call last year. We started with this, and we have a little introduction meeting, like about 2 hours to start with the Windows Insider for Business program, and we communicate via the feedback hub, via the My Company feedback, and for example, via email. So, but it is not perfect. It was not the perfect solution, so we have a little evolution. We are all Windows Insider, and we use it for our productive device, so we want to test it every time. But we have 2 devices. We have one device for sensitive data, and we have our normal device in which we are Windows Insider for Business, and we are all, the most of them are in the slow ring, and I'm in the skip ahead ring. So if you love the risk, you are in the skip ahead ring, but the most of us are in the slow ring. But have a look what we did in the last year. And some of these features are very, very new. They announced yesterday or 2 days before from Blair. He's the head of the Windows Insider for Business program, and we are in a close communication with him to be better in the program and to set, okay, how we can create feedback that you can better read or that the engineering understand what we want. And what we said, okay, we started with WSOS, so with the Windows Server Update Services and GPOs to roll out the Windows Insider Business builds to our company devices. And now, in the last year, we said, okay, let's try to use Intune for these to set our own ring. And that's new, and we can test it a little bit before. We use the Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager to build our own ring. So that's very new. In the last days, it's announced 2 days before. Yeah, 2 days before. And here is also, I have on my slides the direct link to the website where it's explained how you use Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager to build your own ring. And we decide in this year that we want our own rings. So we decide that we use, for example, we skip ahead from the slow ring to the fast ring, but we roll out the fast ring 3 days later. So we say, okay, fast ring 3 days later. We have some updates for the driver, for example. That's a little bit better, and so we say, okay, let's create. So we create our own rings. And we tested it currently with the Windows System Center Configuration Manager. This is really cool, and also with Intune. And we say, okay, let's go away from Windows Server Update Services, go to the new features, and let's try. And we have a lot of benefits out of this. So, for example, I'm the administration guy, for example, one of my customers, also for our company, and I use Windows Analytics to have an overview about the machines, and also if it's rolled out and all of this. So that makes a little bit, one back. And we use also Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Enterprise. And it's also possible for education. I have one school, they use also the Windows Insider program for the education builds. Education Enterprise and also Pro. So that's possible. Okay, let's have a review. What happened? We have a meeting last year, in the middle of last year, after Ignite, and say, okay, we have to do something to build a real squad. I told you, okay, we have only a company phone call, and we have only some email chats, or we have the feedback hub. We say, okay, at first, let's build an icon. And we create stickers for us. And we called us the Geek Squad. So we created at first stickers like this, and we modified the flag for our company. That's only, that's the real one. That's the real one, but don't call Contoso Inc. That's a company name, and we call stickers, and our stickers are on our PCs. And that's allowed, and we call it Geek Squad, so we have a little bit, that's we, and that's our Geek Squad, and we are the Windows Insider, and we are the tester. We are with the guys with a high risk management to test the new builds and new office. That's a very cool effect that employees or friends come to us and say, okay, oh, I see your sticker, you're in the Geek Squad, I have an issue here, can you help me? Or like this, so we get in communication with people outside of the Geek Squad. And yeah, with the new one, we use Teams. We're all Teams, and we have our own team that called on the Geek Squad, but it's private, it's only for us. We post it in one channel every new feedback, where we are RSS feed, and we are linked, so we have all of overview of our feedback. We have a little bit videos, for example, of bugs. We created videos for the feedback hub. We also publish it in our Teams, and we say, okay, no email, only chat communication, all of this. And you know, we have a lot of funny GIFs and memes in it, but yeah, you know what I mean. So we have a lot of fun. And so we created, and we talk about how to create our own rings, or we have to configure it, optimize it. So that's very cool. We skipped from email to Teams. That's one of the reasons, and that's a little bit statistics. At first, we have only 10 or 15 devices and people in it. So now we have 55 people from 4 different departments. We have over nearly 20 Hyper-V VMs with the different builds. So some of the users said, okay, I don't only want to test one ring, we want to test 2, and we also go into the skip ahead ring, and we love to test, and we love the new features like OneDrive, new one, and we don't only test Windows, we test all of the other one. For example, the new OneDrive app is also available in skip ahead and in fast ring, so let's test this too. So we have 76 devices, 20 Hyper-V VMs, 55 people now, and we grow a little bit up, or we say we have a discussion now how fast we grow, or 55 people is the best group. So we don't want we have 100 or 200 people, but that's a discussion today. We have 3 team events. We get a little bit money from the company, say, okay, let's have a team event, weekend, hiking a little bit, talking about it. So that's very cool. And we have 25 announcements based off this geek group into the company. So we say, for example, we created the training content for our company because we know it. We test this feature 6 months ago, and then we are the experts, and we are also the experts for the security. The third level can give us the ticket, that, okay, you are the Geek Squad, you can help. Here we have an issue. So that's very cool, and then we optimized our feedback rings. Okay, how long we had? Oh, I have some minutes. Okay, you remember the feedback process in the last year? That was only 5 points, and now we have a ring. So we created the ring, and we used the ring and roll out the new versions to our company PCs. And then we gave feedback and Teams calls. We have a periodic team call via the Teams group, and we talk about it. And then we give, after that, we give feedback to the feedback hub. So year before, we have only rollout, giving feedback hub review, feedback analytic, giving feedback, rollout new version. And now we add some points like this, talking about the feedback, analyze more about the feedback, have team chats about the feedback, how it changed, or what we find, what's the new bug, or what's the new feature, and what we need, and all of this. And we promote, that's also new, we learned in the last year, we have to promote our feedback. So if only we upvote the feedback, we have only 55 upvotes, but we need more. So we created, for example, some Twitter accounts, and also Instagram, and all of this to promote our feedback, to get more upvotes, and that works. We have one of us, best one, has 1,000 upvotes and all of this, so we promote, say, okay, for example, sending Donna a tweet and say, please promote our our feature or our feedback, and then we get, for example, every Donna's retweet, we have 100 more upvotes. So that's more effective, and that's what we learn. And then say, okay, we need promotion. So we have also internal promotion, and we have one more promotion. We talked with our customers. and we connected our customers to each other and say, okay, this customer has 60,000 employees. Let's upvote. So the IT department, 700 people, upvotes our feedback. So we coordinate not only in our company, we coordinate the Windows Insider community at the other companies. So for example, 2 of our feedback comes in the last Insider Ring build because we promoted it. And for example, also we promoted here. And the third thing is we promoted to the other Windows Insider MVPs. Because if the Windows Insider MVP upvoted feedback, it's more visible to the Microsoft product group, the Windows Insider engineering group. So we say, okay, please Windows Insider, please upvote this. Please MVPs upvote this. And then we upvote, and then we are visible, and then we change the product. And that works. And that's what's our learning in the last year. We have to create some new steps, and with this progress, we are fine. So let's see what happens the next year, but this is what happened in the last year. And we have a little conclusion to talk about, okay, what happened, what's happened in the last year, what is the review, what's the conclusion of us? And I love this animation. Look. Oh, okay. That's also what we learned. We learned new things about PowerPoint because we have to create, for example, with Office Mix our videos. That's process. We don't have to buy it. It's only a plug-in for PowerPoint. We use it, and then we uploaded it to Stream for our company. And also we learned some of these things, but these are the new animations in PowerPoint we use via the Windows Insider Fast Ring, because there we are Office Insider, and also we get the new features and new builds. So one thing of these, if I talked about the animations, I hope you know all the 3D objects in PowerPoint, or? And we are the first guys to use it. And for example, we have one slide, everyone in the company use it. We have the globe, the Earth, and the Earth rotating. And then on the rotating, it stops where the location of the company is. And this is a slide we created as a Windows Insider Geek Squad. And all of the guys in the company use it. And the marketing said, oh, very cool, let's grab it. And so that we created also the marketing slides. But without our icon. But yeah, we have to work for our icon. You know, our blue circle. Okay, so what we do, what's the conclusion? Host and co-host. You need someone, they have the passion like me, you host this program. They need someone, for example, I need 2 to 3 hours a week for this program. So you need a little bit time. You have to talk with your manager. You need time to administrate, but you're using Teams. My administration time goes down. So before we sending emails, newsletters, I need 4 to 5 hours, and now only 2 to 3, because you can like or you send a GIF that's very faster, or you send the feedback hub link, please upvote, that's very faster to sending an email or like this. Then we organize periodic calls. That's very important. We are around the world, and our customer also in this solution are around the world, so we have periodic calls. We talk about it. And these calls, we are very flexible. We have, 30 minutes for us. But sometimes the call is only 10 minutes or 5 minutes, because we have Teams and there are all information. It's only we hear each other. We are in person. We have the calls with video and audio. And if someone is on holiday, said, okay, we chat. We have a cool situation. Someone's on holiday in Spain and said, okay, let's switch. And it comes 10 minutes into the call and say, hey, I'm on a holiday, but I installed the fast ring. Okay. So what we need is a platform. So this is what we learn. We need a platform we can chat. We have GIFs, we have memes, and all of this stuff. So we're using Microsoft Teams for it. And we need the fun parts. So to have 55 people over 1 year working beside their classic work, their normal work, for another little in-house community, you need fun parts. And we have fun parts, for example, team events, or we have the stickers and all of this. The people say, okay, it's great to be a part of this program. and we talk with the Windows Insider team, so we get feedback, for example, that our feedback is a part of the new Windows version. And so we say, okay, what you do here has an effect, and the effect you can see. And that's what the most people said, okay, we are part of this community, this in-house community. And also we have a little onboarding process. That's what we learned, about 10 minutes. It's a 3 minutes video, a sway presentation, and we have a channel in our teams that's onboarding. So if you have new people in the insider community, they watch need 15 minutes, and they know all of this. They have to vote for vote up and in the feedback hub, or give us the information about their company PC. We can include our own ring system. So new system center, and now we're testing, for example, Intune or like this. So we have also channels for Intune, system center, all of this. This is very good, and we create feedback. And that was also a learning process to create good feedback. So for example, we created feedback. At first, we include the build number. And now we learned in this year, no, we don't have to include the build number. We only need to describe the bug, how best we can, so that everyone see it. So if you add your build number, another one, for example, with another build runner has the same bug, created a new feedback point topic. And so we don't get enough upvotes, so leaving out. So that's what we do. And so if you want to be also a part of the Windows Insider for Business program, I have some minutes more, please upvote. Speak at first with your IT. Have a look if you have a Insider Business program in your company. If not, create one. And then talk with your IT that you can give the control about your PC, or give the control to build your own rings to create and to use it. If you want to start, this was also a hint, we start with Hyper-V VMs. Because it's not directly on the PC, and in the Hyper-V VM, we are the admins of the PC, not the IT department. So we are the admins, and we can use the Windows Insider program. So that's also one hint. We created ready VMs. That's, for example, my VM. I only extract and uploaded it in OneDrive, and everyone in the Insider program in the company can grab it. So we have some insiders said, okay, we are 3 months on holiday, or like this. Grab my Hyper-V extraction, install it on, or copied it on their PC, started it, and also a part of the ring. So that's fine. So yeah, be a part. And now we are at the end. If you have any question, I stand by side. Ready? Thank you very much for your attending.